Okay, today we're going to learn about logging into your OneDrive on your iPad and the different features that you can find in your OneDrive. So you open your OneDrive app and you log in with your email address and password that you use for everything at Great Valley. Okay, once you are logged in, you should be able to see all your files and folders that you've created on your laptop or anywhere else that you've saved to your OneDrive. You can see down at the bottom that there are several different tabs. You have Files, which will bring you to all your files. You have Recent, which will show you recent items that you have used, whether it was on the iPad or if it was on another device. Anything that's been shared with you, if you hit Shared, will show up on your Shared tab. It might take a minute to load. And then lastly, you have Sites, and this is any SharePoint sites that you have access to. You can also see through here. I'm going to go back to Files, and then on here in the upper right hand corner you will see a plus sign. So if you click the plus sign, you can do many things here. You can create a folder, you can create a new document, you can take a photo or video, and you can also upload. There is also a new feature called Scan as one of your options. So to create a folder, you just click Create a Folder and you name your folder. Just going to name it New Folder, and I'm going to hit Create. And now, as you can see, when you create a folder, it opens up right into that folder and it says this folder is empty. And you can see at the top, it shows you the name of what folder you're in. From this point, you can either add files to this folder or you can go back to your main OneDrive by clicking on Files in the upper left-hand corner, and this will bring you back to all of your folders and files in your OneDrive. That brings us to the end of the tutorial for OneDrive on your iPad. Thank you.